Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Fiat 500 guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace door speakers guys. Front door speakers. We'll demonstrate on the left door guys, how to remove the speaker, how to replace it. But if you guys need to do the one on the right side, procedure will practically be the same. Everything will be the same. You need to remove the door panel. Stay with us, we'll start on that and we'll get to the speaker, and there is something special that we need to cover, so make sure you stay until the end guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this Fiat 500, we make at least 200 to 300 videos guys. We take them completely apart, we'll show you how to fix pretty much anything. And why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos. If you guys need to buy new speakers, or if you need to get any of the parts that we use in the video, all that and tools, all that will be shared in the description of the video below. You can find the links for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So let us show you guys what we'll be doing next. Okay, now the door panel. In order to remove the door panel guys, we need to remove a few covers, a few bolts, a few screws as well. So that's what we'll be starting on now. So the first cover that we need to remove is right here. You can see where the door handle is. Just pry that one guys, and you're going to find here now, okay, you have two screws with a Allen wrench right here. Okay, those are the two screws that we need to remove, and this is guys, okay, we need a small Allen wrench. So let's see, I think it's a 5 millimeters, so we'll go ahead and remove it guys. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos, you can find the links in the description of the video below, shared for your convenience, so please feel free to check it out guys. Okay, you can see first screw is coming out. Now we're going to work on the second one. Okay, almost there. Okay, perfect. Now guys, we need to come towards the side. Okay, on the back side of the door we have two more caps that we need to remove, smaller caps. Careful not to scratch your door. Gently pull those out with a small screwdriver. One here, one towards the bottom. Okay, and here we have two screws with a Phillips head screwdriver guys. Okay, that we need to go ahead and remove. Okay, one is out. Working on the second one now here. Okay, you can see how easy that Fiat is guys. Some vehicles, it's extremely complicated procedure to actually remove front door panel. On this one, not complicated at all. It doesn't take much. So just that screw, okay, it's getting loose, but it is a little bit stuck now guys. So okay, it came out. You need to shake it a little bit. So next guys, okay, right here we have one cover that we need to pop loose. Okay, careful not to break anything. Perfect, you can see. And on the inside guys, okay, we have one screw that we need to remove with an Allen wrench. Okay guys, it's inside. Ours was a little bit loose, so okay, right there we need to go ahead and remove that screw. Ours is broken there, okay, that's why it's moving, so be careful. Whoever removed that thing last time, okay, they didn't do it the right way. So as a result guys, okay, you can see ours is broken, and we wanted to show you that. So yours guys, okay, is not going to break just like ours did. So this one is loose. It will come loose when we continue removing the panel, so we'll continue with the next step. Now guys, gotta make sure that we don't have anything else. What we're going to do, we have a few clips. We'll get a plastic panel removal too, very important, so you don't scratch your door. We always start on the front, so if you scratch something, it's not going to be so visible. Try to pry with the door open guys. Okay, let's find one place and just stay there, and get your fingers underneath and just start pulling the clips. If the clips break guys, we will have the link in the description of the video below, and we will explain guys, okay, where you can find that, so you can actually replace yours. Now a few things that we need to do. Okay, right here, let me explain. This is the interior door handle cable. We need to release this one. Right here there is one clip. Press down, and when you press down guys, it's supposed to come out, but with one hand Okay, I got it out. Perfect. Okay, now we need to pull that thing to the side and disconnect it. We have one wire here. This is for the switch. Okay, the thing for pressing it in is right here, and disconnect it. You can see the door panel came out. Let us show you where all the clips are now located, guys, so you know what to expect. Now, we have right here on the back side 1, 2, 3 clips. One is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips, guys. 9 clips, and you can see a couple are missing, so if you need to buy replacement ones, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. So now we remove the door panel, guys, we can get to the speaker. Let me show you it. This is your door speaker, guys, and unfortunately you have, guys, rivets. 1, 2, 3 on this side, third rivet, guys, and the only way to remove the speaker is actually to drill those out. Okay, we need to disconnect the wire. So let's go ahead, press in there and pull that wire out. Both things at the same time and pull it out. Perfect. Now we're going to get a drill bit, guys. Okay, we'll have the links in the description of the video below. Rivet gun here ready for installation. We'll show you that. Make sure you stay with us until the end, and we'll drill them. Okay, it's important to drill the head of the rivet only, guys. Do not drill through the speaker. Okay, you can see how we just drew the head of the rivet. So now we're going to go on top here and do the top one, just the same way we did that one. After that, we have one more on the side that we need to do. This one is, okay, we might need to hit it a little bit. Okay, let me get something to hit it gently, to tap on it, so we can actually, guys, push it in a little bit because it's sticking out and we cannot start the drill. So I'll go ahead. Okay, let's see if that's going to fix it, or we'll need to go ahead and, okay, perfect, it went in. Yep, that's it. Now we can position and center the drill in the middle. Okay, to move a little bit to the other side. You can see how we didn't center so good, but we're going to break that one loose. Okay, if we get a screwdriver and we get a small hammer, okay, it should work out. Ah, it came out, perfect. So the third one, guys, we already removed it. Okay, the third one, we got it out. Okay, it's the one on this side, we removed it already, so we had to do only 2 of them. Not to waste your time with the third one, but you can see we got it out, guys. So we're going to press the rest of the rivet stem out. If it doesn't want to come out, guys, okay, we can go ahead actually, and what we can do, we can drill the rest of them with that size of a drill bit, or we can just go ahead, okay, if we want to, and we can get a grinder and just grind them off. Okay, let's see if it's going to come out now. Perfect, one is out, it's in the door. Make sure you get it out, because otherwise it's going to be really noisy, guys, okay, if you don't take it out. Okay, this came, I think this is from the window, guys, actually, on this car. We'll see. I think this is a glide for the window that prevents it from moving back and forth. That's a weak spot on Fiat 500. Okay, this one almost came out through here. Perfect. And one more on the bottom. Okay, great. This one is out too, guys, and now we will show you how to install it. So we got, guys, some rivets. Okay, we got the rivets. Okay, there like that. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. You can cut yours, we cut ours a little bit to make them fit exactly, because you can adjust the length, or you can get the ones that are the exact length. We'll have that shared. You're going to install the rivet, guys, okay? If for some reason they don't fit, you may need to use a drill that size for the rivet, okay? And go ahead, get the heavy duty rivet gun, guys. We'll share that in the description of the video below. And what we are going to do now, okay, we have one stem, okay, this is the third one. We're going to leave this one, okay, we'll put this one in, okay. Let's see if it's going to align everything good. Okay, perfect, it went in. Let me make sure the other ones are in. Okay, align all three of them, and then just, okay, do them, okay, like that. Start getting it tight a little bit, go back. Okay, perfect, guys. And now we just need to do, okay, let's do this one there, on this side. Oh, it fell out. This is a really good heavy duty riveter, guys. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Definitely worth the investment. You can use a small one too, but for those fat rivets, this one works great. And you just do the third one and connect your wire, guys, and you're ready to go pretty much. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.